Most people who find themselves searching for online legal tools are usually facing the exact same problem. They need legally binding, professional protection, but they do not have thousands of dollars sitting around to hand to a private law firm. Whether you are a small business owner drafting your first client agreement, a freelancer protecting your intellectual property, or an individual trying to write a legally sound last will and testament, traditional legal bills can feel like an impossible barrier to entry. The fear that keeps most founders and creators awake at night is simple: what happens if I miss a crucial clause, sign a bad contract, or fail to structure my business properly and end up getting sued or fined into bankruptcy? That brings us to the core question: can a platform like Rocket Lawyer actually replace a traditional attorney, or is it just an overhyped document generator that traps you in a subscription? To understand how Rocket Lawyer works, you first have to understand the core model behind it. Rocket Lawyer operates primarily as an all-in-one legal subscription service. Instead of paying an hourly fee of $300 to $500 for an attorney to draft a single custom document, Rocket Lawyer gives you access to a massive cloud-based library of state-specific legal templates. You navigate through an interactive interview process where the platform asks you straightforward questions about your situation, your business, or your state, and automatically populates a legal contract based on your answers. From there, you can edit the document, send it out for legally binding e-signatures using their built-in Rocket Sign tool, and store it securely in your dashboard. Beyond document creation, Rocket Lawyer offers business formation and compliance services. If you want to launch an LLC, a nonprofit, or a corporation, the platform walks you through filing your paperwork directly with the state. Depending on your membership plan, your first business formation filing fee from Rocket Lawyer can even be waived, leaving you to pay only the mandatory state filing fee. They also offer registered agent services to receive official government communications on your behalf, trademark filings, and annual reporting support. However, the biggest factor that sets Rocket Lawyer apart from basic DIY form sites is its legal network. If you run into a gray area while building a contract, you can submit questions directly to an attorney through their Ask an Attorney feature or schedule live phone consultations. On top of that, they provide AI-powered contract review tools that automatically flag potential red flags in contracts uploaded to the system. So, where do people get burned, and what should you be careful about? The biggest point of friction with Rocket Lawyer is its pricing structure and subscription management. Rocket Lawyer usually lures users in with a 7-day free trial or discounted standalone documents. If you only need a single simple non-disclosure agreement or a one-off document and forget to cancel your trial, your credit card will automatically be billed for their monthly membership fee. Paying for individual documents non-subscription can cost around $40 per document, which means the platform actively incentivizes you to join their monthly or annual plans. Furthermore, while business formation service fees are covered for members, add-on services like registered agent representation, tax preparation, or trademark filing still come with additional out-of-pocket costs, even if members receive a 50% discount. Another critical fear users have is whether these standardized templates will actually hold up in court. While Rocket Lawyer templates are vetted by real lawyers and tailored to individual state laws, online legal services are not a complete substitute for personalized legal representation. If you are dealing with complex partnership equity splits, multi-million-dollar venture investments, high-stakes litigation, or highly regulated industry compliance, relying solely on an automated form generator can put your assets at risk. Here is your actionable takeaway for deciding if Rocket Lawyer is right for your needs. Rocket Lawyer is best suited for small business owners, freelancers, landlords, and individuals who have ongoing, routine legal needs throughout the year. If you regularly need independent contractor agreements, employment contracts, lease agreements, non-disclosure forms, or basic wills, paying a monthly or annual membership gives you massive savings compared to hiring a lawyer every single time. It is also ideal if you want peace of mind knowing you can quickly ask a lawyer a quick question or have them review a contract before you sign. On the flip side, if you literally only need one document for the rest of your life, or if you are forming a single LLC and never plan to generate another business contract, using a dedicated one-time business formation provider or hiring a local attorney for a flat fee may be far more cost-effective. If you do sign up for Rocket Lawyer's free trial, set a calendar reminder immediately so you can evaluate the platform and decide whether to cancel or keep the subscription before you are automatically charged. Used strategically, Rocket Lawyer bridges the gap between expensive law firms and risky DIY legal work, making basic legal protection accessible, affordable, and practical for everyday decisions.